Hey, welcome to another episode of Rolly Rides. I was out with my buddy Ben and Luke, and I thought, you know what? I really want to make a video that will show others why mini bikes are the best. When I get asked what's my most favorite bike, I always say it's the Mini, and here's why. I hope you enjoy.
Do you remember that one time I put your kickstand down?
Oh yeah, and I did it really.
Because he just took off. Of course you disabled your kickstand.
Ours don't have the kill switch.
No good ride is complete without a good lunch and some friends. So we're gonna head over through Wolf Pen, cross through 60. Let's grab some barbecue. Enjoy.
Nobody knows me like you do. You just read my mind. Nobody gets me except for you, like we're intertwined. Seasons come and go. Universe will change.
lunch is brought to you by Wildcat Barbecue. They are located in Suches, Georgia, and it is a wonderful place. This was from a previous time I stopped by with Asha, and I had a wonderful Philly cheesesteak with a delicious Coke Zero. With my buddies, we grabbed a couple of sandwiches. Luke grabbed a pulled pork sandwich, and I grabbed a bacon cheeseburger with some beans. Ben had a mushroom burger that was not pictured. I think he ate it too fast. Wonderful store, great staff, and they have cookies, guys. They have delicious cookies. Now here's my dog Asha, who was not happy that I tied her while I was inside ordering last time I was there. Love you, Asha. And as I always like to say, eat well and ride safe. Thanks for watching.